Hello everyone. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Amit Kumar Agarwal and I have completed my CCI in routing, switching, service provider and data center domain. My total work experience is around 12 plus years. Okay, and this video we are going to discuss the difference between SSH versus Telnet. Before going to start the discussion, first of all we should know why we are using SSH and Telnet. So these are a two-way through which we can remotely access our network devices. Let's suppose your data center is in US and you are sitting somewhere in India or Singapore and you want to access those devices remotely. So what are the ways you can use? So there are the two ways, one is SSH and another one is Telnet. So the difference only between these two protocol is Telnet. Under Telnet, the password which you are going to set is not encrypted, so that is not secure. But for the SSH, if you see, SSH is better because there is a crypto key generate through which the password is encrypted, right? So the requirement of SSH is iOS image that support IPsec DES SSH v1 or 3-DES SSH v2, and the image name should be K9. So this is the basic requirement, right? And if we want to go further, more specific user to be allowed for Telnet or SSH, then you can apply an access list, which is also I have mentioned in this slide. You can see that. Okay, so first let's see the example of Telnet configuration, and then we will see the Wireshark through which we can see the Telnet port number, the packet, and we will see the actual password. And when the similar type of configuration we do for SSH, in that case we will not find that password in plain text. Okay, so let's start with the practical. So this is like a small topology where we have router 1 and router 2. The IP address of router 1 interface is 10.1.1.1 and the IP of router 2 interface is 10.1.1.2. So the task is, first task is router 1 want to Telnet router 2. Okay, and let me start the packet capture as well. For this interface, R1F/0, that is also fine, this one, right? Okay, now let's start the configuration. First of all, we will configure the interface. Okay, interface IP address. So let's start. What is the interface IP? 10.1.1.1 255.255.255.0. and how we can check it? Show IP interface brief. So this is administratively down, so how we can bring it up? No shut is the command, right? So now our interface is up. Let's configure the same way router 2 interface. Interface FA0/0, no shut, IP address 10.1.1.2 255.255.255.0. Then I have to provide enable password first of all. Then under line VTY 0/4 password Cisco. Okay, and transport input Telnet. So I'm allowing only Telnet, right? So now let's see, from R1 let's try to do Telnet to 10.1.1.2. it's allowing, password is Cisco. See, now you are in router 2. So now let's see what is the problem through Wireshark. So if you see the Wireshark, let me stop it. If you see the Telnet packet, see this one 10.1.1.2, it's a TCP. Let's open this packet, and if you see the port number, Telnet port number is 23, right? Here is the option maximum size. Let's see, where is, okay, size of the packet, this one, source, destination port is this one, further things, no. Okay, let's see the payload one, where we okay, telnet data. This is the telnet data. So now if you open this telnet file, you will find that subcommand, okay, will negotiation size, let's see, this is 23. I'm just trying to check the password which I have entered. Let me see, telnet1.1.22. I'm just trying to check if I can see that password. It's an echo, not this one. See this one, not this one. Acknowledged. Let's see. This is the acknowledgement frame. I'm just trying to check that particular packet where we can see the password, right? So let's see. Okay. Actual data, not this one. Initiate data, where is the password? This is initiating telnet. Let's see, first of all, this one, ms value, this one, that is also fine. Layer 2, layer 1 frame. Now let's see this one, not okay, let's try to capture the packet here. First of all, let me go out. Now let me see if I can capture device ID R2. Okay. Okay, let me try to do telnet one more time. Okay. Password is Cisco. All right. So now it's done. So if you see this packet, stop this. If you can see, okay, this is the data packet. See this one, telnet, no. Transmission control protocol. I'm just trying to check the password. Cisco, this is CDP. Telnet data. Okay, just let's remove this apply filter, not selected. Apply filter and not selected. Okay, let's see this acknowledgement packet, if you can find something here. No, this is just an acknowledgement. Telnet data, not here. X, not here. Here. Okay. All right, so if you see the packet over here, you will find in the data C, first term. Then in the next packet you will find I, CI. In the next packet you will find S, sys. Next packet C, Cisco, O. Okay. So here you can see this data is plain text, and if someone is sniffing your data, then he can easily identify the password. So this is the main problem here with the Telnet. Okay, now let's go for the SSH configuration. So for SSH configuration, what you have to do, first of all, you have to assign the host name. Host name is already assigned, so you have to assign the IP domain lookup, that is cisco.com. let's suppose cisco.com IP domain name, sorry, not lookup, cisco.com. then crypto key generate RSA, the size is 1024, which is recommended. Now it's generating the key which will going to encrypt the username and password. AAA new model, username you have to give, let's suppose I'm giving Amit, password is Cisco. Config terminal, I'm already in. IP SSH version 2, line VTY 0,4, transport input SSH. All right, now let's see, let's try to take a packet capture. Start Wireshark. All right, okay, let me remove this one. Apply filter is not selected, okay. Now let's try to do the SSH. Okay, so go for R1, SSH -L, username is what, Amit, 10.1.1.2, right? You can see also. Let me do one thing, let me apply filter and select it. Okay, now let me assign the password. Password is Cisco. Now I am in, right? So you can see the packet is encrypted here. See, so the packet is encrypted. See here, this one. So if we go to the actual SSH packet, you will see encrypted packet. So this is the basic difference between SSH and Telnet. SSH is more secure and it is generally used and recommended in the production environment, right? Because if someone is sniffing your connection somehow, he or she will not be able to find the actual password. So I show you in my next video. I will show you the meaning of these frames, then the Ethernet complete header, then Internet Protocol header we will discuss about, TCP header. Here you can see the port number is 22, which means it's a TCP port, and the port 22 is for SSH, right? And if you see the same for Telnet, it's 23. See this, where is the, see, 23, right? All right, thanks for watching.